Hi everyone, today we are going to tinker a DF layer mini. This will serve as the part 2 for the tinkering of DF layer mini. This is this one. Of course, this one is an Arduino Uno. We have some dip switches here, tuck switch I mean, and we have a speaker. So let's get started. So what we have today is we connected our DF layer mini to our Arduino Nano using serial communication. So these two ports is connected to 5 volts and ground pins, while pin D10 and pin 11 is connected to the RX and the TX of the DF layer. We also connected 3 pieces of tactile switch that will serve as play button, slash pause button, previous button when short press, long press will serve as previous song, and the third button will serve as next song or volume up when long press. So I will upload the sketch and we will see how it is playing. So let's start. So now we are waiting until the upload of the sketch is done. Okay, the upload is done. So basically our prototype today works like pressing the middle button plays the first song. Pressing it again will pause the song or play, pause, play, pause. So this LED serves as a busy indicator. It's basically when it is lighted, it means it is not busy. When it is unlit, it means something is playing. So next button is the next button serves as playing the next song like this. Next, like that. Or the first one serves as previous. Previous. Okay, malfunctioning. So let us see what is the display, debug display through our serial. So now I'm going to push the middle button or the play or pause button. Pushing it again to play. Pushing the next button. Pushing the previous button. And also I can lower the volume by long pressing the previous button like this. So it's a little bit slow, but it's basically working and functional. While long pressing the next button, it functions as volume up like this. So the volume is up to 30. So that's all, folks. I will try to include the link to the library and also our code in the description. Thank you. Please hit like and subscribe. That's all. Bye.